Kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, yet certain foods can inadvertently harm these vital organs. From excessively salty snacks to sugary beverages, our daily consumption habits unknowingly contribute to kidney damage. These 8 nefarious culprits lurk in our kitchens and grocery lists, posing as innocent indulgences while silently wreaking havoc on our renal health. Starting with number 8. Processed meats. High consumption of processed meats, including bacon, sausage, and deli meats, can significantly heighten the risk of kidney disease. This heightened risk is primarily attributed to the elevated levels of sodium and phosphorus present in these processed meats. Sodium, commonly found in high quantities in processed foods, can lead to increased blood pressure and kidney damage over time. Additionally, phosphorus, another prevalent component in processed meats, can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease, as impaired kidneys struggle to remove excess phosphorus from the bloodstream, potentially leading to further complications. Therefore, moderation in the consumption of processed meats is advised to mitigate the risk of developing kidney disease and to maintain overall kidney health. Bringing us to number 7, sodas and sugary drinks. Regular consumption of sugary drinks, such as sodas and sweetened fruit juices, poses a significant risk to kidney health. These beverages are often high in sugar content, which can contribute to kidney damage and increase the likelihood of developing kidney stones. Excessive intake of sugar can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and high blood pressure, all of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Moreover, the phosphoric acid found in many sodas can further exacerbate the risk of kidney stones by promoting the formation of crystals in the kidneys. Therefore, limiting the consumption of sugary drinks is crucial for maintaining kidney health and reducing the risk of associated complications. Number 6, we have canned foods. Canned foods frequently contain elevated levels of sodium, posing a potential risk to kidney health. The high sodium content in these foods can contribute to increased blood pressure and potentially lead to kidney damage over time. Excessive sodium intake puts a strain on the kidneys as they work to regulate fluid balance and filter out waste products from the bloodstream. Additionally, prolonged exposure to high levels of sodium can contribute to the development of hypertension, a leading cause of kidney disease. Therefore, it's advisable to monitor sodium intake and opt for low sodium or sodium-free alternatives when consuming canned foods to help protect kidney function and overall health. Let's move on to number 5, excessive salt. Excessive salt consumption can have detrimental effects on kidney function and overall health. High salt intake can elevate blood pressure, putting strain on the kidneys as they work to filter out excess sodium from the bloodstream. This increased workload can contribute to kidney damage over time. It's important to note that excessive salt intake isn't limited to adding salt to food directly. It also includes consuming highly processed foods that are often laden with sodium for flavor enhancement and preservation. Therefore, reducing salt intake by limiting the consumption of processed foods and being mindful of salt added during cooking and at the table is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing associated complications like hypertension and kidney disease. Number 4 on our list is processed foods. Encompassing packaged snacks, fast food, and frozen meals are frequently laden with high amounts of sodium, phosphorus, and other additives that pose risks to kidney health. These additives are used for flavor enhancement, preservation, and texture, but they can have detrimental effects on the kidneys when consumed excessively. High sodium levels in processed foods can elevate blood pressure and strain the kidneys as they work to maintain fluid balance and excrete excess sodium. Moreover, the phosphorus content in processed foods can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease, as impaired kidneys struggle to remove excess phosphorus from the bloodstream, potentially leading to complications. Additionally, other additives present in processed foods may have adverse effects on kidney function. Bringing us to number 3. High-protein foods. Diets high in protein, especially those rich in animal proteins such as red meat, can exert additional strain on the kidneys and may exacerbate kidney function in individuals with pre-existing kidney disease. The metabolism of protein produces waste products that must be filtered out by the kidneys. Consuming excessive amounts of protein can overload the kidneys, leading to increased glomerular pressure and potentially accelerating the progression of kidney disease. Moreover, animal protein sources tend to be higher in certain compounds like purines, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones and exacerbate existing conditions. Therefore, individuals with kidney disease or those at risk of developing it should consider moderating their intake of high-protein foods, especially those derived from animal sources, to help preserve kidney function and overall health. Let's move on to number 2, high-potassium foods. While potassium is vital for overall health, individuals with kidney problems, particularly those with compromised kidney function, may need to restrict their intake of high potassium foods to prevent potassium buildup in the blood, a condition known as hyperkalemia. Foods like bananas, oranges, potatoes, and tomatoes are rich sources of potassium. Excessive potassium in the bloodstream can disrupt normal heart rhythm and lead to other complications. Therefore, for those with kidney issues, it's crucial to work with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to develop a personalized dietary plan that balances potassium intake and helps maintain optimal potassium levels while supporting overall health. Number 1,